Hey guys, Chet here. Now it feels like every single day there is a brand new AI tool that everyone is talking about online. You can't miss it. It can be really confusing to figure out what each tool actually does and which ones are right for you and your business. A little while ago, I found myself trying to understand the difference between two powerful tools that are often mentioned in the world of AI, n8n and another one called Relevance AI. Now, at first, I thought they were competitors. They both seem to be about building smart systems and using artificial intelligence to get work done. But the more I learned, the more I realized that I was looking at it all wrong. They're not in competition with each other at all. And in this video, I want to tell you the story of what I discovered. We're going to clear up the confusion between n8n and Relevance AI. We will look at what each one is really for, and then I'll show you the magic moment when I realized they're not rivals, but powerful partners that are designed to work together. And since n8n is the main platform that we will be discussing, if you want to get an account to see what I'm talking about, I have put the links to their official website and my own startup guide, or setup guide rather, in the description for you. Now, let's start with Relevance AI because it is the newer tool of the two. The easiest way to think about Relevance AI is that it is a platform for building your own custom AI employees. Yeah, you can think of them as agents. For example, you could use Relevance AI to build an agent that is an expert in customer support. You can build another agent that's an expert in writing marketing copy for your social media. And then you could build a third that is an expert in analyzing sales data. It's like a workshop for creating and training a team of specialized AI workers. You use their simple interface to give your AI agent a name, a set of instructions, and access to your company's knowledge. The main job of Relevance AI is to create and host these smart agents so that they are ready and waiting to be called upon to do a specific intelligent task. Now, let's go ahead and quickly remember what n8n's job is in this story. n8n is the visual automation platform that acts as the manager for your entire business. It really is the tool that you use to connect all of your different apps together, like your email, your spreadsheets, and your project management tool. It listens for triggers like a new sale happening or a new customer sending an email. Then it performs a series of actions based on your instructions. n8n's main job is not to do any deep thinking, but to follow your process perfectly. It moves data and makes sure that everything happens in the right order. It is the workflow manager, I guess you could say, for your business. So this was my big realization. Asking which tool is better, n8n or Relevance AI, is like asking if a manager is better than an expert employee. The question doesn't make sense. One gives instructions and manages the process, and the other performs the expert task. They're not designed to compete, they're designed to work together as a perfect team. This is where things get really exciting. Here is how this amazing partnership works in a real business. You can have a workflow in n8n that starts when a new customer support email arrives in your inbox. Now, n8n, acting as the manager, sees this new email. But instead of trying to figure out the answer itself, n8n sends the customer's question over to your expert customer service agent that you already built in Relevance AI. The AI agent then uses all of its knowledge to think about the question and create the perfect answer. Once it has that answer, what does it do? It sends it back to n8n. Then n8n, the manager, finishes the job by taking that smart answer and sending it as an email back to the customer and maybe even closing the support ticket. Pretty clever. n8n handles the entire process while Relevance AI handles the intelligent thinking part of it. I know that building a workflow like that, where different AI tools are all talking to each other, can sound really advanced. It is the kind of thing that seems out of reach when you're just getting started with automation, but I want to show you that it's easier than you think. This is the exact kind of powerful system we learn how to build inside of my school community. I provide step-by-step courses and templates that show you how to connect n8n with all of the powerful AI tools like Relevance AI. We have live calls so that you can ask questions and get personal help. If you're ready to build the future of business automation, the link to my community is down in the description. So to put it as simply as I possibly can, you don't have to choose between n8n and Relevance AI. You use Relevance AI to build your team of specialized, intelligent AI workers. Then you use n8n as the smart and efficient manager that tells those workers what to do and when to do it. They are the perfect combination for any modern online business that wants to use artificial intelligence. All right, that is the end of this video. I hope this clears up how these two amazing and powerful tools fit together to create something incredible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.